Hello, welcome back to another Visual Computing Labs video. In today's tutorial, we will talk about how to replace a keyboard or a top cover. As you can see, there's some missing keys. Now, if these hinges right here, these small hinges weren't broken, we could just pop those keys back. But when it's missing these many keys, we should probably just replace the whole thing. It'll be quicker. And some of these keys double type as well. Some of these keys, when you type on them, they don't type. So it's a whole lot of issues. Anyways, this is a HBG 8. Okay. The part I'm using is the M36311-001. This is an English cover. This number will vary depending on your region. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You can tell it's new by the sticker right here and the sticker right here. Also, this isn't bent. This isn't bent. It's safe to say it's a new one. Okay, let's just set it to the side for now. We're gonna use this once we have everything taken apart. I like the HP laptops a lot because of how simplistic their screws are on the back. There's only 5. There's none hidden underneath these strips, which some models definitely do that, where they hide them underneath this. And it's super annoying because you have to take it off and you have to hope that they're not stretched in the process. But for HP G7, G8s, it's just these 5 screws. Okay, right. Now, we pry them apart with our plastic piece over here. Just go like this. Okay, I take it apart. That, take the cover off. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Now first, let's take apart the battery. So I'm using my fingernails, a little bit of fingernail, to open this up. There's 4 screws over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's take them apart. Okay. And as you can see here, the speaker cable kind of runs through the bottom. This is the cable, kind of goes through here. So what you have to do is you just have to pull it out. And then you are good to take the battery out. There you go. Set aside. What I like to do is I like to put the screws with the item it belongs to. That way I know what those screws are. Let's take this off. This is the CMOS battery. It's right here. Let's take the speaker off. So the left side just comes off just like that. And the right side is connected. So yep. Next up, we will disconnect the Wi-Fi antenna cables. That's these black and white cables on the NIC cards. And we will disconnect the EDP LCD screen cable as well at the same time. All right. Now, the cables that belong to the screen are out. There's one on the left, there's three on the right. Now all we gotta do to disconnect the screen from the top cover is these 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, now comes the fun part. We will take apart the screen from the top cover. Now, I would be extra careful on this step. I have had one of these cables break on me. Now we have that off. We're left with just the top cover. And basically, anything you see, you have to take it off. So let's just go from the right. Let's start from this fan over here. Fan's pretty easy to take off. Just 3 screws. Again, that's why I like the HP so much. It's so simple. There's not a million screws everywhere, like some of those Asus laptops. And for this, you just gotta take this thing off. This is the thing that connects this to the motherboard. Okay, there we go. As you can see, there's quite a bit of dust buildup. Now, just go ahead and take that out. There you go. That's the fan. The good thing about the fan is these screws, they stay on the fan. So we don't have to worry about losing them. Now that's next. Let's do this USB module over here. So there's 1, 2, 3 screws. So this comes off. This is like the guard, like the metal part. Next up, we will remove the smart card module from the bottom right. We don't have to take the SSD or the RAM out. Those can just stay on the motherboard. So next, let's do this DC in module on the top left. Next, let's take this black plastic part out. So there's 4 screws on here. Now let's disconnect this ribbon cable over here. This is for the trackpad. Let's also disconnect this, the middle one. And then we need to, this is the fingerprint reader over here. It says G8 right here. Oh, can't see it. Yep, there you go. G8. It's pretty cool how they hide that in there. The motherboard has 5 screws. 2 on top, on here, 3 on the bottom. 1, 2, 3. Just gotta take them off. Now we gotta disconnect this too before we take the motherboard out. Okay, there we go. And it's off. The motherboard is out. Now, our last thing on the motherboard is the trackpad. So we'll go ahead and remove that. Perfect. Okay, so we've taken everything off this top cover. Now, all we have to do is screw everything back on to the new one. Okay, now let's do it all again, but in reverse. We gotta bend this thing. It has some lines on it that's actually pretty convenient. Bend and go in here. There we go. That's perfect. Let's put this module back. Let's put the fingerprint reader back. So let's peel off the sticker over here. And what we need to do is bend it down and stick it. I'm gonna screw the motherboard back. All right. Let's do this USB module. Okay, that's perfect. Now the fan. Okay. All right. Everything looks good. Let's put the LCD screen back on. Alrighty. Now the speakers. Okay. What's left is the battery. Okay, we'll see the logo showing, and it's saying there's no SSD, which is correct. Now let's boot into the BIOS. We'll use the escape key. Let's see. I'll just hit escape, entering startup menu. That's a good sign. So there's a few tests here. We'll just go, since we fixed the keyboard, we'll just go to the keyboard test. And we just want to make sure that every single key works. Just for demonstration's sake, we will test the system board. Okay, passed. That's good. Processor. These should only take like a few seconds. So just to double check, just to be sure. Memory. It takes an hour. Never mind. I just hit escape and exit out of it. Oh no, I think we did a pretty good job here. All right. Okay, let's exit out. Yes. And that's just hold down the power button, power the device off. And there we go. We have successfully replaced this keyboard. Tomorrow, once we return to the client, he'll do some extra testing. But for now, that should be all. Thanks for watching this tutorial. This was a pretty long video. And it's been like about an hour, which is actually not bad. This is about how long it takes to repair a keyboard. You can get it down to like 40 minutes. Like if I'm not recording, I'm just focusing, I could be able to get it down to like 40 minutes or even like half an hour, but this is pretty good. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial video. Could be coding, could be data science. We'll see.